Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we're diving into the electrifying world of basketball, a sport filled with heart-pounding moments that can totally make or break a game. And trust me, it's not just the slam dunks and three-pointers that get your heart racing, it's the entire experience surrounding it. Picture this. You're lounging on the couch, the game is in full swing, and suddenly, your adrenaline shoots up because your team just made an epic play.
Yeah. Totally. I mean, can you just, feel the energy in the room when that happens? How in the world do they train to keep that excitement up, especially when the game is super close?
Definitely. It's a mental game as much as a physical one. Coaches prepare their players to handle that pressure, much like a tightrope walker focusing intensely on balance. One tiny slip, and boom! Everything changes. Speaking of changes, I remember last year's playoffs when an underdog team made an incredible comeback from a 20-point deficit.
Whoa, I totally remember that. Isn't that the game where they pulled off that insane last-minute three-pointer? It felt like something out of a movie plot.
Exactly. It felt like a cinematic moment. The tension was massive, and when they made that shot, you could feel the crowd collectively gasp. Now, let's delve into another important aspect: fouls. A foul is essentially breaking the unwritten rules of the game. Imagine being in a dance-off, and someone shoves you off the floor. Totally rude, right? In basketball, getting fouled gives the other team a chance to score free points.
Oh, so it's like when you're playing Monopoly, and you land on someone's property, but, you just declare you accidentally skipped paying rent? It's kind of like a foul, right?
Exactly. Just like in Monopoly, where everyone might argue if someone forgets to follow the rules, the same thing happens in a game. The referee, or ref, is there to ensure that the rules are enforced. They keep things fair and square.
Right. So refs are like the game's judges? Have there ever been, crazy referee decisions that changed the course of a game?
Oh, absolutely. Just last season, there was a game where a questionable foul call in the final seconds led to an unexpected upset. Fans were beyond outraged. If you've experienced a game live, you can feel the entire stadium's energy doing a complete 180 when a ref makes a controversial call. It's electric!
Wow. So it's like everyone collectively holding their breath, just waiting for the outcome. I wonder if they have some kind of strategy to avoid getting called for fouls too often.
Yes. Players have to be incredibly strategic, almost like playing chess. Every move counts, and they must know when to be aggressive on the court and when to hold back, just like avoiding losing a critical piece in chess.
Haha, oh man, that's a wild analogy. So, can you tell me more about free throws?
Sure thing. A free throw is like a reward for being fouled. It's that moment when the player stands at the line, totally unopposed. It's their golden opportunity to score in a high-pressure situation.
So it's like getting free spins on a slot machine? You could either win big or just, miss out completely? I bet that's super nerve-wracking.
Exactly! Free throws are crucial, especially in tight games. This whole dynamic adds so much drama. It's those moments, especially late in the game, that can truly decide the champion.
Wow, I never thought about it that way. And, we've covered fouls, refs, free throws, and, the legendary beer run, right?
Yes, the beer run is a quintessential part of the viewing experience with friends. It's that moment when you realize, yikes, we're out of drinks, and you have to rush, kind of like a player hustling down the court to make that last-second layup.
Haha, especially when the game is, super intense and you don't want to miss anything. So do people actually miss key moments just to grab a drink?
Oh, all the time. It's almost like a rite of passage for many sports fans. I mean, who can blame them? Just like life, every second counts, whether you're on or off the court.
That's awesome and kinda wild. I guess the cocktail of emotions and excitement is why basketball is such a staple, huh?
Absolutely. That's what keeps fans coming back for more. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed diving into the thrilling world of basketball with us today.
Thanks for that great chat. I can't wait to see what other sports we'll tackle next.
Remember, if you want to learn about any other sport or have any burning questions, just let us know.
Laughs. Yes, let's keep the fun going. See you next time.